Hello, this is Sharifa Just Nailed It, and this is December 10th. We are on to day 10 of Charlie's Nail Art Advent Calendar. You can find them at charliesnailart.co.uk. I am an ambassador. Nailed It 10. All caps. Save yourself 10% off your total bill. And who doesn't want to save 10% off? You have to be Dutch. So check out Charlie's Nail Art. Use my code. Save yourself some coins. Let's check out what our present is for today. We have got foils. Well, I'm excited about this. Christmas memories. Oh, I'm excited. There is gingerbread men and some good. Oh, I'm just excited. Let me see how I open this one up. Be careful opening it, that way you can keep your little package to put them back in. There we go. Let's see, what do we have? There are gingerbread men and candy canes and other sweet stars. Oh, this is beautiful. Pine cones with bows. Oh, I'm excited about this. Let me think here. What color polish are we using? I want to go for a white nail. I'm going to do a coffin. Cut the tip of my stiletto down. That went flying. Just filing out my nail. I am going to put a base coat on because it's habit. Cover your nail completely. Pop her in for a little cure. Here's my white from Diva in a Bottle from her summer collection. Got my stork scissors, which I think are just too cute. We are going to be... well, these are just too cute. It's got some Christmas holly, gingerbread men, candy, sweetbreads. I think they are. Looks like donuts though, but I don't know. That one right there looks kind of like a donut. But she is in the UK, so it could be some kind of a Christmas sweet. This image right here, I'm not too sure what this one is. It looks like an eyeball in there, but I could be very wrong. Very wrong. Okay, we are going to paint our nail white. I'm going to pause this through this. You've all seen somebody paint a nail white and it could end up taking 2 coats. So I will be right back. The nail is curing for its final coat of polish. I did use the white 2 coats just so it is opaque through the foils. These are so pretty. So pretty. And again, this is Charlie's Christmas Memories. This is a very long strand. You got the full sheet, and that's just a little section. Let's see if I can get this up here so you can see it. Just beautiful. I still have to cut me a section. You don't need the whole foil. Line her up on the nail. Press down. Rub-a-dub-dub. I really wanted to use the candy cane on the nail and I did not. But you want full coverage of the images. Oh shoot! I made a boo-boo. This probably is not gonna work. Oh, I forgot to add my nail foil glue. Oh, it transferred, but not the best. So, I am going to pause yet again, get me out another nail, and restart this over. So, please bear with me. Alright, we are back. I've got another coffin nail painted white. Got my iMethod Salon nail foil glue. We're going to apply this. Make sure you put enough on. Get your sidewalls really well. Cuticle to your free edge. Check and make sure you're coated well. Gonna pop that in the lamp for a cure. You can get this on Amazon. Great product. I've already cut my foil piece. We are going to try for the gingerbread man in the center on the nail, right here. Look how cute those are. I'm not going to put any bling. I am going to use my infinite nail glue. And I am going to put a bow. Whoops. I don't know why I feel the need to, but I do. Just, I guess, because I'm not using bling. So we'll put that off to the side there. As soon as our nail comes out of the lamp, we are going to apply the foil. That is when it's best. No hee-hawing around. When it is hot and out of the lamp, so to speak. So we're just going to wait for that to finish curing. If you have... Oh, it's finished. So we're going to center our foil. Oh, they could be grapefruits even. Press this down over the nail. Start rub-a-dub-dub. Rub-a-dub-dub. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I would like you to be here with me in every video and along the way on my journey. Please click all on the bell, and that way you get notified of all future videos. You don't want to get lost this month. There's 2 videos per day coming out into the 12th. And then the rest of the month it'll happen on Tuesday and Saturdays for my acrylic series and my She Modern series. I think I've rubbed this plenty, don't you? So we're going to slowly lift this up off the nail. We have got perfect full coverage. And here's our nail. Look how beautiful that is. There's our gingerbread man. These, I think, are grapefruits. We have a pine cone with some Christmas holly on it. I think it is too cute. So I'm going to top coat now with Top It Off by Beatles. Put you a nice top coat on. Cover your wonderful foil design. Pop her in the lamp, the cooker, the oven for a full cure, which could mean 60 seconds in your lamp. It is 30 in mine. But I don't know what button I pushed, so we're just going to go with what it does. Then we're going to be adding the nail foil glue. And our bow. I got bling all over my desk. We're not using those. Just our bow. Just our bow. I think it's too cute. Let me show it to you once again. This is also a Charlie's product. Super cute. So please bear with me. We only have a few left on the lamp. I'm going to fold up my foil. Put her back in the package, maybe. Maybe. The lamp is done, but I'm in midstream here. Gotta get this put away. Trying like the dickens to open this package. Oh no, it's stuck. There we go. So you can reseal your package. Keep it with the label. Look how beautiful that turned out. Nice glossy top coat. Gonna go in with the infill nail glue. And attach our bow. There we go. There is our nail for today. Our finished product. I think that turned out really super cute. Please give the video a thumbs up. Like I asked you to subscribe, click the bell, click all, leave me a comment down below, let me know what your thoughts are. I think it turned out really cute. Stay tuned for tomorrow for day 11. See what Charlie has in store for us. So have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.